Hi, I am Nisa Hanem. I am going to talk about the introduction. Menara Jland, located in the heart of Johor Bahru City Centre, the state capital, provide a whole new type of commercial green office skyscraper. Johor Land Berhad created Menara Jland as the epicenter of the south, a freehold office in JB standing at 38 floors and 170 meters above the ground. Menara Jland is a mixed-use development which serves a retail and office space. I'm going to talk about the introduction of building maintenance. Maintenance of building is one of the most critical difficulties in the context of urban development. Yusuf 2012 stated that building maintenance is described as work performed in repairing, restoring and improving all facilities to keep the building in excellent working order. Types of maintenance. There are two types of maintenance, which is planned and unplanned maintenance. Planned maintenance is any maintenance operation that is planned, documented and scheduled. Planned maintenance can be divided into two types, which is preventive and corrective maintenance. Preventive maintenance operation protects the structure of the building by preventing harm, while corrective maintenance resolves a problem with a piece of equipment and restores it to operating condition. Corrective maintenance can be divided into two categories, which is planned corrective maintenance and unplanned corrective maintenance. The next one is unplanned maintenance, where the maintenance work that occurs unexpectedly and without any warning. There might not be a plan in place to finish it.
Hi, my name is Latifah Hanum binti Muhammad Ramli and I will continue to explain about categories of defect. A building defect is any condition that reduces the value of a home, condominium or structure. There are two categories of defect, which is non-structural defect and structural defect.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Izzati Sofia bin Tairul. Okay, so next we move on to the building failures. Building failures occurs when the building loses its potential to carry out the intended design function. The building failures may be categorized into two large groups of bodily structural disaster, which result in the lack of positive characteristic, such as strength and performance disaster, which because of the reduction in characteristic below an established suitable restrict. Structural failure correspond to the exceed of remaining limitation in among the load-bearing factors which compromise the structural stability of the constructing. So in practice, they correspond to enormous harm, partial and total collapse of the building, resulting in repair costs that are high relative to the replacement value of the building. Okay, so next is the main causes of building failures. Okay, so the first one is common design fault, internal factors or human errors, external factors, inadequate awareness, inappropriate construction, performance failures, and also common material faults. Okay, so next is type of failure. Okay, the first one is failure of concrete, functional failure, serviceability failure, disconnection failure, translation failure, and also elastic instability failure.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Rashid. So I will explain detail about our case study for Menara Jland, which is the Menara is a freehold office building that's situated in the Johor Bahru City Centre. The building is developed by the Johor Land Berhad with 38 floors and 170 meters above ground. The build up for the buildings is 38,000 square meters on the ground and 6th floor. The office immediately connected to the Komta JBCC with total net lettable area is approximately 250,000 square feet. The Menara Jland is mixed-use developed, includes 38 stories for corporate office, retail level and 1 level for Sky Garden and Sky Deck. The shopping mall are located on the bottom and entrance level.
I will continue to explain about the type of defect at Menara Jland. First, dampness. One of the most common source of dampness is moisture absorption by building components. However, dampness has a number of negative consequences, including structural damage, material deterioration, health difficulties, microbial community alteration, and respiratory problems. For the solution, before picking a strategy for lasting cure against dampness in walls, the cause of dampness must have to be examined. Second, poor workmanship. The majority of flaws in building projects are caused by human mistake. For the solution, inform the contractor of the poor quality of work. Third, cracks in the building. Cracks can be caused by faulty and defective design, poor quality materials, incorrect construction methods, weather and lots of wear and tear. Cracks in the building has a number of negative consequences which is affect environment and safety. Damage in the structure not only cause the detrimental effect on its structural health and longevity, but also hamper its functional aspect that can lead to safety risks, and cracking of the wall slabs cause discomfort to its occupant. For the solution, the engineer must take the lead. Last but not least, peeling paint. Blistering and peeling are defects in which swelling of the paint film occurs. The negative effect of peeling paint is rising dampness in wall, damage of the waterproofing wall membranes, and water penetrate through capillaries or cracks between mortar joints and bricks. For the solution, carefully reseal the area with a mildew killing disinfectant and let it cure completely.
So these three maintenance policies, maintenance standard and maintenance program are important element in the maintenance strategies to keep the building in good working order and for general building upkeep. So the first maintenance policy is to provide the best security management system in the building. This is to ensure that management will be secured in every maintenance, including the interior and exterior of the building. Secondly is to protect occupants to meet safe operating procedures on site. And last, maintenance policy is provide a comfortable environment without inconvenience to the apartment or the tower occupants. This is to ensure the longevity of the building and all components. So for maintenance standards, so these are Menara Jland safety and health standard, which is to ensure that all health, safety and environment laws are complied with, and to introduce and perform continuous programmers to identify and control all hazard in each building, and to make sure that all the facilities, equipment and tools provided are always safe. And last but not least is to establish possibility financial plan to manage any emergency defects that may arise. Maintenance program is divided into three categories, which is long-term, simple-term and short-term. For the long-term maintenance program, is like repainting the building every 10 years and to check all electrical wiring and installations in accordance with the current conditions. And to renew the roof every 10 years, this is to prevent the roof from leaking in the building. So for the simple term, is like visually inspect the lightning connector system and to make sure all water tanks, exposed water pipes are protected, and to check the operations of hinges, bolts and locks and lubricants. And for the short term, daily needs such as cleaning services and such as public toilets or extinguisher, to make sure it is always in good condition so that it can be implemented in a certain condition. So what we can conclude is that a maintenance program and principle is such an important aspect of the maintenance work. And furthermore, when performing maintenance work, the safety of the building's users must be considered. That was the important element. And we also study about the cause of building defects and the steps of correcting them. That's all from us. Thank you for watching.